There are 4 trim panels in the front trunk area. The cabin air filter is located under the main panel, red arrow. You do not need to remove the 2 side trim panels, blue arrows, or the front trim panel by the hood lock, green arrow. To remove the main panel, gently pull up on each side by the cutout handles, red arrows. There is a clip on each side of the panel, blue arrow not seen, that sit in the cutouts in the chassis, red arrow. With the front clips released, pull the panel forward, freeing it from the cowl piece, red arrows. With the main panel removed, gently set it aside and locate the cabin air filter housing, red arrow. There are 10 tabs in total to open the lid to the cabin air filter. 4 along the passenger side edge, red arrow, 3 on the battery side, blue arrow, and 3 under the rear of the lid, green arrow. To release the tab, simply pull back and gently lift up on the lid, red arrow. The tabs located under the rear of the lid, blue arrow, includes a locating pin, red arrow, that inserts into a hole by the diagonal brace, green arrow. Be mindful of this locating pin when removing and reinstalling the lid from the housing. Set aside the lid. You will see the air filter in the front of the housing indicated by the red arrow. To remove the filter, simply grab it and lift it up. The air filter should slide up and out of the housing. When installing a new filter, locate the triangle on the side of the filter, red arrow. Make sure this triangle points towards the passenger seat when inserting. Installation is the reverse of removal. The second cabin air filter is located under the glove compartment on the passenger side. To access this, you will need to remove the 3 screws, red arrows, that hold up the foam pad protecting the cabin air filter housing. Simply use a quarter or a small flathead screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pull down on the foam pad and pull it out to remove it. To open the housing, push in on the 3 tabs, red arrows, to release the housing lid. The housing lid should swing down and open, and the air filter should come down. If the filter does not directly fall out, grab it and gently pull it down to remove it. When installing the new filter, locate the text along the edge of the filter, red arrow. This text should face towards the outside of the car. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.